Hello, welcome to a tour of my house. I'm Hillary Mulick. I thought it'd be fun to start with my office. It's basically right off the front door. This was the first room that I redid when we moved into our house 4 years ago because I figured I wanted the place that I was working to be inspiring and cute. So added the wall moldings and already owned most of this furniture, so I was able to put together the whole office pretty quickly. There's the front door to the right. Down this hallway is our dining room and kitchen. We haven't done anything to this part of the house except for just paint the walls. So the whole kitchen is pretty much original to the house when we first moved in. I do love this little dining room area though. Now we're going into the living room. We redid a lot of this. This was a carpeted room and the fireplace was really old, so we ripped all that out and replaced with wood floors. Sorry, the video goes kind of dark right here. It'll brighten up in a second. We put in these floating shelves, cute Boris. That little art piece above the couch I painted. It's based off of something I saw on Pinterest, and I just wanted to recreate it and put it in my own house. And here's just another view of the living room. We redid all these stairs in the last year. They were carpeted, so we tore out all the carpet, repainted, put in a runner. Redoing stairs is hard work, guys. I think that project took us like a month. My little shadow down there. Now we're going into the laundry room. Repainted the cabinets. The cabinets did not go all the way to the ceiling when we first moved in, so I extended the cabinets, put in the crown molding, and painted everything. We have 2 guest rooms here on the side. The other one is just completely blank. It's just a catch-all room, but this is our guest bedroom. This whole upstairs was carpeted, so we tore out all the carpet, put in hard floors, repainted everything. This is the little guest bathroom off of the hallway. Put in a new vanity. I love the tile floor that we put in and the board and batten that goes halfway up the walls. Those prints are from Juniper Print Shop. Hooks are from Target. Rug I just got off of Amazon. Again, love that tile so much. Now we're going into the master suite. This room was redone just within the last 6 months. I love the different textures on the bed, just with the linen and the velvet, the quilted velvet. – Obviously this is my side of the bed because it looks cuter. And then our bathroom was the most recent update. We gutted this whole thing. Looks so good. I'm just gonna take a little second to look at my new closet, put in some IKEA PAX boxes in there, and I plan on building it all in. So the closet is not done yet, but it's been great. So this room, new vanity, all the paneling on the walls we put in ourselves. I built that picture ledge, put all of our favorite pictures in there. Our tub shower. Just did it really simple with kind of an artisan subway tile. That stack tile is called a soldier pattern. Little towel hooks. And then back into the master. A lot of these links you can find on my Amazon shop if you're looking for anything specific that you saw in this tour. You can also comment in the comment section down below if there's a specific thing that you want to know where I got it, and I can let you know. Boris again. My sister was visiting this day. I came back downstairs because there were two little parts downstairs that I forgot to video. So right off of my office is this closet that I painted this fun pattern in. It's basically all of my camera equipment and bags, and just the perfect place to just hide away all of my work stuff. And they also have this little powder room that is right off the kitchen. Haven't done anything to this except just repainted it when we first moved in, but I have plans to make it just a really fun powder room. And that was the end of the house tour. Hope you enjoyed it. I know Boris did. And I'll see you again next week for another YouTube video.